Hello, this is Jo Baird of Jo's Crafty Hook, and today I am going to show you how to do the herringbone half double crochet. I have my big hook here just to show you how to do it, because it makes nice little stitches when you do it. So I'm going to show you how to do the herringbone half double crochet with the bigger hook, and then you can do it with the smaller hook or whatever size you're gonna need. So as you can see here, I have some half double herringbone stitches started. So I'm going to turn my work here. Okay, so the first thing you do is chain one and then yarn over. You're going to insert your hook in the loop, draw, yarn over, and draw one through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Now, instead of doing a regular half double crochet, you're going to pull that 3rd loop under the 2nd loop. So now you have 2 loops on your hook, and then you just finish the stitch. You draw through the last 2 loops. Okay, I'll show you that again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to pull that 3rd loop just through 1 loop, so now you have 2 loops, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through those 2 loops. And as you can see, you have herringbone half double crochet. So again, I will show you. Yarn over, insert your hook through the loop, yarn over and pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to pull the yarn under 1 loop, sorry. Then you're going to yarn over and draw through 2 loops. Again, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, draw through, pull your 3rd loop to under your 2nd loop. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And there you have your herringbone half double crochet. I'll just go ahead and do a couple more real slow here. While you're here at my YouTube channel watching this video, be sure to subscribe, like, or place a comment. If you have any stitches you would like to see, be sure and put those in the comments, and I would do my best to do those for you. Again, my name is Jo Baird of Jo's Crafty Hook, and we are doing the herringbone half double crochet. And there you have it. Again, I just used the big hook to exaggerate the stitches. And as you can see, this is what your stitches will look like with the smaller hook. And there you have the herringbone half double crochet.